Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable password reset protection on the X app. This simple security feature adds an important extra layer of protection, making sure no one can reset your password without confirming it's really you. Let's go step by step together. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it loads, look toward the top left or right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your account menu with a list of different options. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you'll find all the tools that help you manage your account, privacy, and security features. Next, go ahead and tap on Security and Account Access. Inside this menu, you'll see options related to logging in, security controls, and account activity. What we're looking for is right under the Security tab. Once you tap Security, you'll see an option to turn on password reset protection. What this does is prevent anyone from resetting your password unless they first confirm with your account credentials. That way, your account is much harder to break into if someone tries to take control of it. Now, to enable it, simply toggle the switch on. At this point, the app will ask you to enter your current password. This is just to make sure you're the rightful account owner before the change is saved. Carefully type in your password, then confirm. And that's it. Password reset protection is now active on your X account. From this point on, even if someone tries to reset your password, they won't be able to do it without properly verifying it's you. Taking a minute to turn on this feature can make a big difference in keeping your account safe. Small steps like this go a long way in protecting your information and maintaining control of your personal space online. So if you haven't already, go ahead and set up password reset protection today. It's a fast and simple way to give yourself an added layer of security that can help you avoid headaches in the future. Stay safe, and thanks for tuning in.